Alright, want to go ahead and disconnect your battery first. Pull your thing out. 210 millimeters down here to pull this up, like so. And go ahead and get you a 10. Remove these two. And that one too. Hoses are removed. And go ahead and start unplugging. This one. Up here. These two down here. Make sure you get these two bolts from underneath. This bolt. This one. This one. This one down here. This one in the middle. Get your magnet. Pull on off. Alright, got my bolt removed. Go ahead and get this off. Alright. Do your starter right here. Go ahead and unplug this. And bottom bolt. Alright. Alright. New versus old. Put your plug in to your new one. And go ahead and put it in a hole so you can touch the flywheel. Alright. Got the starter secured back in. Alright, got everything all buttoned up. All plugged in. Alright. Starter body is in and all secure. Now go ahead and test it out. Yes, sir.